Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add a Spotify Anthem and Tinder using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, this is the interface of Tinder once you have logged in. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply try to add a Spotify Anthem to our Tinder account. At the top left, here's your profile button right here. Simply click on it. Once you're in this section, as we do want to edit our info, that is add a Spotify Anthem to our Tinder account, what we need to do is simply click on this edit info button right here. I'm gonna click on it. Then this page opened up. Well, I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something like Spotify. Well, right here, as you can see, here's Spotify Anthem and top Spotify artist. Do you note that I have already connected my Spotify account? In case you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. For now, I'm simply gonna select on this choose Anthem button right here. From here, it's gonna give you lots of choices. Well, you can either simply select from the popular songs available right here, or you can just search for them. I'm gonna search for them right now. As you can see, I have been provided with my search results. I'm simply gonna select on the song I want to, and guys, there you go. We have added our Spotify Anthem. At the very end, what you need to do is simply click on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a Spotify Anthem to your Tinder PC. As you can see, my Anthem has been added. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.